Yamas. It's like a cornucopia of Greek goodness. It's a medley of flavors. So the consensus is, it is so delicious. We're enjoying the messy plate. We're finally here in Athens, Greece. So these are my travel buddies.
Hello.
This place is Baraiktaris. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Now this is part of the Souvlaki roll. So Baraiktaris has been recommended by Rick Steves actually, and Othanasis, and there's another one. Most of the staples of the Greek cuisine are here. So we chose the famous people here in Greece, and even American, and chefs like Guy Perry were here. Depending on the place, here in Athens, the souvlaki comes in two versions. One is just the skewers on a stick, and the other one wrapped with pita. Thank you.
This is pork and the other beef. Is beef. Okay?
Thank you.
This is my first souvlaki here in Athens, Greece. It's like a cornucopia of Greek goodness. The pita, it's actually fluffy. A little bit of charred spots. We ordered the pork and French fries and tomatoes, onions, tzatziki. All right. The meat is tender and healthy. It's really good. It's juicy. It's bursting with flavor. It might have oregano, yeah. It's so delicious. Poli nostimo in Greek. If you want a quick, cheap eat, get the souvlaki. It has everything already. It has carbs and proteins, and it's really filling and satisfying. Oh, this is not shepherd's pie or lasagna, but this is moussaka. Look at the layers. Look at this. This is like an eggplant casserole. The lower portion is eggplant. There are minced meat, bechamel sauce on top. So let's take a bite. I have all the layers. It's a medley of flavors. You have the creamy bechamel sauce, and then the minced meat is really flavorful. The eggplant is soft. It's really good. This one is Saganaki. It's basically a fried feta cheese. It's a little hard, but let's see. It's salty.
Can I order an iced coffee without sugar?
A little tangy taste, but it's actually
Cafe,
good.
but no sugar. No sugar.
Let's put some lemon. It's not my favorite, but it's good for just a few bites. Okay, this is the Zucchini Fritters. So basically a dough and zucchini. It's really tasteful. It's freshly made. It's still really hot. Let's put some... Oh, I like this. Their Greek salad with a big chunk of feta cheese. Look at the colors. The red tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, some olives. Let me get a chunk of this. The tomatoes, cucumbers, the peppers. It's nice and crisp. It's really, really fresh. Good. This is their house wine, and it's free. Now we're gonna eat Loukoumades. Loukoumades is like the Greek donuts. So this is the traditional. This is just Loukoumades with honey and cinnamon. Really tastes so good. It's drenched with honey. It's not just any honey, but the honey here in Greece is thicker and dense. The inside is so soft and pillowy, and then a little crispy on the outside. And this one has the pistachio praline. Look at that. It's so inviting.
Ooh la la.
It's so good. It's deliciously sweet. I can't stop eating this. Guilt-free Loukoumades here in Greece. This is so different from a donut. This is so good.
Kalami, gudani.
Alright.
Grabe.
Grabe ka super kalami.
This donut is the bomb.
This is so different from any other donuts that I've tasted. It's dough balls, basically.
Mura siya buchi, sausaw o chocolate o pistachio.
This one tastes good with coffee.
Buchi is what?
Buchi is closer to
Korean?
the sesame ball for in Chinese.
Oh,
The dough is same.
Simple, yet
Yeah.
Huwag makalupit sa kuwan, pistachio.
No, actually
That's
the dough is
Yeah.
not sweet. What makes it sweet is the honey here and the pistachio right there.
I loved it. I love the pistachio one. So it kind of tastes like beignet and you're right, like buchi, a little bit. The texture.
Alright. So the consensus is, it is so delicious. There's no other dough balls in the world that can compare to the Loukoumades here in Athens, Greece. You should come here and taste Loukoumades. Ready? Yamas! At the rooftop of our hotel, it's a bar restaurant. Hello, everybody. Cheers. Yamas. We're enjoying the Mezze plate. If in Spain they have the tapas, in Greece they have the Mezze.
This is metbo.
That's chicken.
This one is chicken. The chicken is right there. The grilled chicken is so
Can you
good.
give me a piece of the grilled chicken?
So the grilled chicken is good.
Okay. The potato salad.
This is still the zucchini ball.
Zucchini balls. We tasted that yesterday, right?
This is the potato salad.
The sausage looks so good. I like the charred part. They really like the chicken, the zucchini balls, and the sausage. So I have the sausage here. Just looking at it, it looks delicious already. I like the charred portion. The meat is so tasty and it's not dry. And it has that smoky flavor. It's really good. So I have the chicken. They said it's really good. It's perfectly cooked. It's flavorful. So the kimbap, grilled lamb.
You're right, Paul. It's so good.
I couldn't imagine this is lamb. It's soft. Okay, the grilled lamb, we drench it in oil.
Can I have
Taste
the
it
water?
again. It's so juicy. I can't stop eating the grilled lamb. Super delicious. They're so simple, the fried squid, but they really taste so good. It's the way they cooked it. It's not hard, but it's tender. Is that cheese balls?
I have cheese balls. It's so good. It's so yummy.
We're enjoying the unique flavors of the Greek cuisine. This is one of the reasons why we love traveling, to taste the food of different countries. Yamas!
Yamas.
It's 83 degrees right now here in Athens, but it's really sunny, but it's breezy, so it's really perfect weather here to stroll around. And we stop over this ice cream shop called Kayak Pure Magic Ice Cream. It's good.
I got pistachio.
Tiramisu.
Delicious.
Delicioso. So there are sections in Athens, Greece that have dilapidated buildings and lots of graffiti. So they take graffiti to the next level. Some are of the purest art form. Some of them are done as a result of political expressions and some teenagers having fun. This is Koulouri of Psyrri. It's a small shop, but they actually provide majority of the shops here in Athens. So this is like their quick, cheap snacks, on-the-go snacks for most Athenians. It's a circular dough that is covered with sesame seeds. This is filling for an early morning, breakfast with coffee. This would be good with coffee. It's good. It's like the bagel in the US.
Sugar and cinnamon?
Yes, please. How much?
250, you pay to the lady over there, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a custard pie. It has a thin phyllo dough. Yeah, but the filling is like custard. It's sweet. So let's see. It's sweet, the custard, but not too sweet. So Bougatsa is popular in Thessaloniki. That's another city in Greece. So this is really popular here. Even the tour group is here for the Bougatsa. It was cheap. It's nice walking around here in Syrian neighborhood. There's so many food shops and taverns, and you turn one corner, there's a nice square or beautiful piazza. So we're here in Mokka Cafe. We ordered the traditional coffee with the briki. That's the container. That's the sand, the hot sand.
This sound, yes.
Is there something underneath?
Two flames.
Oh, the flame.
Gas. If you put your hand here,
It's really hot.
it's very hot.
Oh, it rises up already.
Is it sweet?
I cannot describe the coffee because I don't drink coffee. It gives me heartburn and I'll be shaking.
No, it's not acidic.
And I'll
Let
be
me show
miserable
it.
the whole day, so I can't taste it. How does it taste, Lion?
I love it.
It is strong or what?
No, it's not strong. It's not really a very acidic.
So far, this is the best coffee in the third cup for the day.
Third.
Yeah. It's fine, bold, dark.
Turkish delight. If Haristo. So we made a reservation here at Baraiktaris Restaurant. This is on top of Loukoumades Hill. Look at this view. It's really worth it.
Yeah, here.
What do you have?
I have the grilled sea bass with vegetables.
What do you have, Katrina?
I have the shrimp risotto.
So let me taste the rack of lamb. It's tender and juicy, perfectly cooked with pistachio dusting. It's super delicious. They just have a small portion, but this is good enough for me. Lion gave me the sea bass. It's fresh and very tasty. With a scenic location, good ambience, good food, and good company. What more can you ask for? Yamas!
Long life, good health.
If you find value with this content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future vlog. For more of our Greek adventure, please check our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a very blessed day.